Evening, ladies and gents. Handyman back again. Outdoors in nature again. My help Fuda with my little garden, trying to get it, situated. I was weed eating around here a little bit, as you can see, around a couple of things. I ran across another little part of nature. See, he's got one eye open now. I don't know if he fell out of the tree or what happened. He's a baby though. Ain't not much I can do with him. Don't know what to do with him. Like I said, it's part of nature, so we just leave them alone, let them do their thing. What's gonna be, it's gonna be. I hear them chirping now. There's some birds in the background. Maybe that's his mama calling them, or they calling each other. He most definitely didn't fly there. So evidently he must have fell somewhere from up there out of a nest. I don't know what this stuff is on his head. Other eye not open. Looks a little swollen. I don't know. Like I said, he fell from the tree, maybe. We're just gonna let him be. Hopefully, like I said, he'll be all right. He's calling now. Maybe mama hear him. I don't know how all this nature stuff go, but we ain't supposed to interfere. I do know that. For new, this one just flew over there. Still hear him calling. Maybe that's her. Trying to move around a little bit though. Again, just trying to show y'all a little bit of another little piece of nature. Yeah, he's a little bit stronger now. He was perched on this thing I was weeding on earlier, this little root. I almost cut him up. You can see I got this little patch left because I got right to him. I didn't even see him until the last second. And that still ain't no joke. But fortunately I did see him. And he was safe for a little while longer. You see him? Yeah, I think I hear mama right up above us in the tree. I'm gonna leave him alone and hopefully she fly down and know what she can do about him. But let me get out their way. Again, if y'all like my videos, like, subscribe, share, and we'd appreciate it. And the man out. Y'all be good.